Croeso eto I Pencadlys, Cymdeithas Pêl-droed Cymru yng Nghaerdydd. Welcome once again for the final time today to the FAW headquarters in Cardiff for this afternoon's FAW Women's Cup draw. I'm delighted to be joined by two influential people from the Welsh football family. On my left is Lucy Kelly, the Secretary of the Welsh Premier Women's League, and on my right is Amanda Smith, the Team Operations Manager at the Football Association of Wales. We've got 36 entries in the Women's Cup this year. That's a 3% increase on last year, so great to see that the women's game is growing here in Wales. We've just got 8 teams that will be in the draw today for the qualifying round, 2 in the north and 6 in the south, which is all based on the on where these teams are playing in the pyramid in the women's game. So we'll start with a northern draw, just 2 teams. Number 1 is Bangor City and number 2 is Kimmel Bay. Lucy will draw the home team.
Number 2.
So that's Kimmel Bay.
Number 1.
And that's Bangor City. So if we put these back in, these will be drawn by 4 other teams. So number 1 is Abertillery Bells, 2 Cwmbran Celtic, 3 Llangefellach Ladies, number 4 Merthyr Town, number 5 Robina Ladies, and number 6 Splot Albion.
Number 4.
That's Merthyr Town.
Number 5.
And they will play Robina Ladies.
Number 2.
That's Cwmbran Celtic.
Number 6.
And they will play Splot Albion.
And number 3.
Final home team, Llangefellach Ladies.
Of course, number 1.
And they will play Abertillery Bells. And that concludes the draw for the FAW Women's Cup qualifying round 1.